Tres.
Hello, I am Dino. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Robotin.
How nice to meet you.
You too.
Sergio. He is Robotin. Hello, Robotin.
Hello, Sergio. Hector. This is Dino, and your friend is Sergio.
Um, Hello, Hector. Hi.
Hello,
Where, where are you from, Robotin?
I am from Italy. And you?
I am from Spain.
How do you spell Spain?
Spelin.
Very good.
How do you spell Italy?
Italy.
Uh, what is your what is your cell phone number?
W539502931.
Thank you, Robotin.
What is your cell phone number?
W52429888629.
Okay, Dino. Goodbye.
Bye, Dino. See you soon.
See you soon.